Hello, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to, these are Dollar Tree plant stocks, so stackables, and I'm going to make my strawberry tower out of these. So I have a total of 16, because I'm going to make 2 towers, and I'll also get the base to the regular plant pot that I'm going to attach one of them to and then stack on top of it. So let me show you how to do it. So I got one, and I bored holes through, and on each side I bored 3 tiny holes, and also on the base I have 3 tiny holes there to match up with the base of this. Alright. And I have some wire. You could use you could also use, what do you call it thing, the 3 pieces. Okay, now let's put it together. Okay, so this is so that it's more stable. Through, and then one of those holes in there. Okay. So come closer. So the hole that I put through here, and also the small hole that I put here, I'm going to match them up and put them together. Like that. I'm going to put it through the hole in here, and then I'm going to also put it through one of the drainage holes that's there. And bring it back up, and then wrap it around. Okay, see, like that. This is going to give it more stability, and also if you want to move it. Okay. And last one. Okay, where'd it go? Okay. And I just tuck that underneath. So it is connected to that. Now I have this metal pole. Insert it into the middle. When I'm ready, I'm gonna, fill it up with soil, insert it into the middle like that, and I'm going to stack. Okay, let's go about it. Okay. So some of them might be a little bigger, I could say. Yeah, I think this hole is a little bigger. So this is 8 stacked on top of each other to make my strawberry tower. Okay, so this is my Dollar Tree planter strawberry tower. Isn't that awesome? And in the base I'm gonna put some rocks to give it some more weight. Also with the dirt, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere once the dirt and everything is inside. Yeah, so I have 2 of these. 2, and I have another one here that I will stack. Tomorrow I'm going to do the strawberry bed, so tomorrow we will fill them. I think I have to make these holes a little bigger. Let's see, I think so. Yeah, I think these holes need to be a little bigger, so I'm going to make these holes a little bit bigger. But yeah, so this is going to be my 2 strawberry towers from Dollar Tree. My stackable strawberry towers from Dollar Tree. Okay, and continue to stack it. 8. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Okay, so this is my Dollar Tree strawberry planter. Tomorrow we will fill it with dirt and plant the strawberries, and also the strawberries that's outside in the bed that's falling apart. Alright, so see you tomorrow. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and come back again tomorrow so that we will put this strawberry tower officially together and get ready the first thing for the gardening season. Please like, share, and come along, and see you next time. Bye.